Hello and welcome. We will discuss PYQs of ratio and proportion in this video, and the theme is how to add two ratios and how to subtract two ratios. So there is a very minor mistake that student commits while attempting these questions on ratios. So let me explain that mistake and this concept with the help of question directly. See, this question says the monthly income of X and Y are in the ratio 4:3. So ratio of income of X and Y is 4:3 and their monthly expenses are in the ratio 3:2. Monthly expenses are in the ratio 3:2. However, each saves rupees 6,000 per month. What is their total monthly income? Now guys, we know that from the income, if we subtract expenditure, what we will get? We will get savings. Okay. Now, what students generally do? They gave us this reason and they just directly subtract these ratios. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. And then they solve the problem. Over here, by chance, this thing is logically, mathematically is absolutely correct. By chance, it is absolutely correct, but it does not happen always. Okay, so listen to me. Okay, whenever you want to add or subtract ratios directly, then there are some hidden conditions that you need to justify. What are those hidden conditions? So listen to me carefully. Now, this is what I have performed. Along with that, it is given that their monthly savings, each saves 6,000 rupees. Each person is saving 6,000 rupees, right? X is saving 6,000 rupees, Y is saving 6,000 rupees. So, what is the ratio of their savings? It was this ratio of saving was not given to us directly. Ratio of saving was not given to us directly, but indirectly when we calculated it, it comes out to be equal to 1:1. Okay, and from the income, if we subtract expenditure, 4 minus 3 it is 1, 3 minus 2 it is 1. Over here also we are getting 1:1. We are getting 1:1 mathematically also, and 1:1 as per the given condition also. So this subtraction, this calculation is absolutely fine here. Now what you can do? So you can assume that if saving of X is 1 unit, then savings of Y will be 1 unit. Expenditure of X is 3 unit, then expenditure of Y will also be 2 unit. If income of X is 4 unit, then income of Y will be 3 unit. Okay. Now this subtraction is valid here. Why? Because this subtraction is justifying the condition which was given in the question, and this condition was given implicitly. Now what we can do? Savings of X is 1 unit. If saving of X is 1 unit, actual saving of X is 6,000. So 1 unit of ratio correspond to 6,000 of reality. What we are looking for? We are looking for total monthly income. So total monthly income will be income of X plus income of Y. Income of X plus income of Y is what? 7 unit. So total monthly income will be 7 unit. Value of 1 unit is 6,000. So value of 7 unit will be 7 into 6,000, which is 42,000. Hence, answer of this question is option B. Kindly make a note of it. So remember guys, when hidden condition of the question is justified along with the actual addition and actual subtraction, then we can say, or then we can do this, otherwise not. Otherwise we cannot add or subtract ratios directly. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let's move on. Now this question was there in 2015 and the previous question was there in 2017, and both of these questions were almost same. They were same, meaningly you can say in UPSC somehow repetition of problem is present. Somehow repetition of same concept is present in the paper. Okay, so now this is the same case. Let's solve this. The monthly income of Peter and Paul. Monthly income of Peter and Paul. So there is Peter and there is one more person, that is Paul, is 4:3. And their expenses are in the ratio 3:2. Their expenses are in the ratio 3:2. Now I know that if we subtract expenditure from income, we will get savings. Now by normal subtraction, income 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. This will be a valid subtraction or addition if it will justify the given condition of the question. As per question, it is also given to us, each one of them is saving rupees 6,000 at the end of the month. So whether we talk about Peter or we talk about Paul, they both are saving 6,000 each. So it means the ratio of their savings is what? 1:1. So this ratio, this condition of savings which is given in the question is giving me the ratio as 1:1, and this normal subtraction is also giving me 1:1. So this is valid. Now their monthly income respectively. So over here what you can do, you can assume that savings of Peter is 1 unit, so saving of Paul is 1 unit. Expenditure is 3 unit, over here it is 2 unit, 4 unit and 3 unit. Now I know, I can see savings of Peter is 1 unit in ratio, and in actual it is what? 6,000. What we are looking for? Monthly income of Peter. So monthly income of Peter is 4 units. So 1 unit correspond to 6,000. So 4 unit will correspond to what? 24,000. Okay. So I can see option A is the right choice here. Okay. So what is this? This was the income of Peter. 4 unit is the income of Peter, and if we want to talk about income of Paul, so income of Paul is 3 unit. So if 1 unit correspond to 6,000, so 4 unit will correspond to 24,000 and 3 unit will correspond to 18,000. Hence answer is option A. Kindly make a note of it.